Hello, y'all. This is Melvin. I'm out here doing an attempted repair. We're at Miss Chavez's house, Miss Wilhelmina. We're at 6025 Hillvale Trail here in Lithonia, Georgia. State Farm, ATR. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So if you can come in, we just now detached the shingle. Let's verify. Oh, looks like we got one more nail. Okay, now we have the shingle detached. As you can see, this is where the damaged shingle is right here. As we can already see that we have creasing right here, right above this wind damaged shingle. Also right here on this tab, and a little bit over here on this tab as well. Not so much on this, but we start to see where the granules have begun to fall. So we'll go ahead and replace this shingle right here. Just wanted to point out that just in the midst of what we were just doing, that we have crease here, and crease right here. Just wanted to point that out. So I'll go ahead and mark an F for fail, F for fail, F for fail. This is the new shingle here, regular 3-tab shingle. Go ahead and begin to install. So as you see that it's already creased beforehand. So anything that I do from this point forward, wouldn't affect the ATR as these shingles are already creased. All right, to finalize, we've installed the new shingle. As you see right here, once again, fail, as there's a crease. The crease happened as we were, taking the shingle off. And then also we got the beginning of the fail right here. So there you have this ATR.